Alright, so we're here at this Okinawan soba place. The intro of today's video was me playing badminton with Yota, the same guy as last video. So today I'll be going around Okinawa again and showing you all around this island. I have like some things actually planned today, so it's gonna be a little bit more structured. We're gonna eat at this soba place and then go somewhere, but we have to go in right now, so let's head in. Alright, so just to continue off where I left off last time, so right now we just entered the restaurant. We had to wait a little bit because there's like a huge line and we just had to put our name on the wait list. And it's pretty cool just like ordering everything because you kind of go to that machine and just kind of click what you want. And then you just hand your ticket to the person and then they'll bring it out whenever. But we're here at Miyara Soba. Alright, sweet. So we're here at the soba place. It's Okinawan soba, so different from like mainland Tokyo. So we're gonna try it today. Maybe you all can see this restaurant. They were kind of like telling me to take some videos, so hopefully I do them justice by showing them their restaurant. But this is Yota.
I'm Yota. I order Yayama soba. Noren orders Okinawa soba. Thank you.
We're gonna start eating our food because I think it's coming now. So, all right, I'll show you all the food now.
Again is mata.
Mata ikimasu?
Yeah.
Oh,
good.
Anata wa mata ikimasu?
Yeah.
All right, time to head out now. Let's go. So it's super windy here at the beach. We're at Paradise Beach right now. Yeah, you can probably see it's super windy. Nice day outside and obviously it's super windy. So hopefully I'll be able to fly my drone. This is Yota.
This is tropical beach. Now too windy.
All right, we're gonna see if we get fly right now. So you might see drone shots, you might not, but I'm gonna bring out my drone now. So let's go. Alright, so I hope you all liked those drone shots. I was able to unlock the authorization in that zone. So with DJI drones, for some reason, some areas have restrictions on zones. So depending on the color of the zone, you're able to unlock it or not. And fortunately, I was able to unlock it. So I hope you all like those shots from that beach because honestly, I think it's one of my favorite beaches in Okinawa. It's called Paradise. Yota's gonna take me to Kokusai Dori, which is like Kokusai Street. Has like a lot of bars and shops and show you guys all around. I'm a little bit late. I actually have something planned at 5. I'm supposed to like shoot this video for this clothing company, Lily's Ice Cream, which is actually the shirt I'm wearing now. But I'm gonna meet up with the manager there, and we're gonna talk about a video, and then I'll shoot a video for them. So maybe you guys will be able to see it in this video, or maybe the next. Hopefully this video. So much traffic here. That's why I'm late. So much traffic in this area. Thank you.
Of course.
See you later.
See you, bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Of course. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm here on Kokusai Street. I just filmed the video here for Lily's Ice Cream, and I'm here with the manager. I just filmed the video. It took like 2 hours, so I'm pretty exhausted myself. But this manager here, Sakura.
So ice cream concept store. よし、Lily's Ice Cream。Lily's Ice Cream っていうアイスクリームコンセプトのショップ、そう洋服屋さんです。
Sweet. Alright, well, we're just gonna finish filming up here and then head out, but show you all some clips of what we took today. But you can see the full video on my Instagram, show you guys some drone shots of this street. It's called Kokusai Street, one of the busiest streets here in Okinawa, so here you go. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Have a nice day.
You too. Alright, same to you. Same to you.
Thank you.
Alright, bye guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Have a nice day.
Alright, so that's the end of my day here in Okinawa. That's the third day, I think. So I spent this morning with Yota, and we got some lunch and we played some badminton. Won badminton, but it was a tough battle for sure. Last time we played, I lost by a lot. But finishing up in Kokusai Street, filming that video, that took most of my day. I'm honestly so winded, so I'm sorry I didn't show you all more. But hopefully you all got a sense of what Kokusai Street is like. I might go back there at some point, so you might see it again. Tons of touristy stores, Okinawan stores, and yeah, I'm back here at the monorail station, close to my cousin's house where I'm staying in. So I'll be headed there now. I'm just so tired, so I'm gonna clock out right now and head back, eat some dinner, and go to bed. So hopefully you all got a sense of Okinawa again, the people, the place, just seeing what it's like. Hopefully I'm doing it justice right now, but thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.